Hi there, we want to talk about the Knapheide KLT lube truck. We've got a monotank with 3 50-gallon fresh oil products. We've got 1 50-gallon coolant product tank, and we've got 100 gallons of used capacity on this truck. We also carry a dedicated 120-pound grease keg. Some of the features about this: it's got big truck features in a non-CDL or more compact package. We can also power our air pumps from a standalone engine, not requiring a power takeoff or the primary truck engine to be in operation. The truck comes standard with a reel cabinet. We've got all our product reels stored safely and securely in the back, work lights, and dedicated storage in the underside of the truck body. So if you're looking for a dedicated lube truck in a non-CDL package, we recommend you check out the Knapheide KLT.